Spain, located in southwestern Europe, is known for its rich history, diverse culture, and stunning landscapes. It is famous for its vibrant cities, beautiful beaches, and delicious cuisine. Spain is a popular tourist destination, attracting millions of visitors each year. The country is also known for its festivals, including the famous La Tomatina tomato throwing festival and the running of the bulls in Pamplona. Spain has a rich cultural heritage, with influences from Roman, Moorish, and Christian civilizations. The Spanish language, flamenco music and dance, and bullfighting are all important aspects of Spanish culture. Spain Visitors Visa allows individuals to visit Spain for tourism, visiting family or friends, or attending cultural or sports events. The visa is typically issued for a short stay of up to 90 days within a 180-day period. To apply for a Spain visitor's visa, you will need to provide documents such as a valid passport, proof of accommodation, travel itinerary, financial means to cover your stay, and travel insurance. The processing time for a Spain visitor's visa can vary, so it's advisable to apply well in advance of your planned travel dates. The Spain visitor's visa is intended for individuals who wish to visit Spain for short-term stays, including tourism, visiting family or friends, participating in cultural or sports events, or for medical treatment. The visa allows stays of up to 90 days within a 180-day period. It is typically issued as a single-entry visa, but multiple entry visas are also possible. The application process involves completing a visa application form, providing required documents: passport-size photos, travel itinerary, proof of accommodation, proof of sufficient funds, travel insurance, etc., and attending an interview at the Spanish consulate or embassy. The processing time for a Spain visitor's visa can vary depending on the consulate or embassy where you apply. It is recommended to apply at least 15 days before your intended travel date. The visa fee for a Spain visitor's visa also varies depending on your nationality and the type of visa. Additional fees may apply for certain services, such as expedited processing. In some cases, it may be possible to extend your stay beyond the initial 90 days. However, you must apply for an extension before your current visa expires. Holding a Spain visitor's visa does not grant you the right to work or study in Spain. You must also abide by the visa's conditions, such as not overstaying your authorized period of stay. Spain is part of the Schengen area, which allows for border-free travel between member countries. A Spain visitor's visa allows you to travel to other Schengen countries as well, as long as you comply with the visa regulations for those countries. To apply for a Spain visit visa, you must provide the following documents: 2 recent biometric photos meeting Schengen specifications, a passport valid for at least 3 months beyond your intended departure date, with at least 1 blank page for the visa, copies of passport pages with your information, visa stickers and stamps, proof of travel dates with a flight reservation showing arrival and departure details, travel medical insurance covering Spain and other Schengen countries, with a minimum of 30,000 euros in coverage, proof of sufficient funds, equivalent to 90% of the gross national minimum wage for up to 10 days, or 573 euros. 23. With bank statements or a support letter if someone else is financing your trip. Evidence of accommodation in Spain, such as hotel bookings, an invitation letter, or a rental agreement, proof of civil status, marriage certificate, birth certificate, etc. For employed individuals, employment contract, bank statements, no objection certificate from the employer, and income tax documents. For self-employed individuals, business license, company bank statements, and income tax returns. For students, proof of enrollment and a leave approval letter from the school or university. For retirees, pension statements from the last 6 months. These documents must be submitted to the Spain embassy or consulate in your home country. To apply for a Spain tourist or visitor visa, you must complete the following steps: fill out the tourist or visitor visa application form, gather the necessary documents, schedule an interview appointment, attend the interview, pay the tourist visa fees.
Before we proceed further in this video, I kindly request just 1 minute of your time to introduce our books currently available for purchase on Amazon.com. We currently have 2 books on sale. The first book is titled Discover Abroad: Navigating Travel, Immigration, Study and Employment Opportunities Abroad. Our second book is titled 450 Business Analyst Interview Questions and Answers, Ace Your Interview. These books are designed to help you expand your horizons, embrace new experiences, and unlock a world of possibilities. Additionally, the interview book can assist you in standing out from the competition and landing your dream job abroad. Simply click on the link provided in the description box of this video to order yours now.
The Spanish authorities are responsible for processing your application only if Spain is your primary Schengen destination, which means you will only visit Spain and no other Schengen country. You will visit other Schengen countries besides Spain, but Spain will be where you stay the longest. You will visit several Schengen countries, spending the exact same amount of days in each, but you will enter the Schengen territory through Spain. Once you confirm that the Spanish authorities are responsible for processing your visa application, determine where to submit your application. The Spanish embassy or consulate in your country of residence. A visa application center where Spain has outsourced visa processing in your country. One of the above, located in a neighboring country if there is none in your country of residence. According to the short stay visa regulations for Spain, you can apply for a visa as early as 6 months before your planned trip, but no later than 2 weeks before. Schengen embassies, including Spanish ones, typically process short-term visa applications for tourism and visiting within 15 days. However, in some cases, this period may be extended to 30 or even 60 days. Extensions may occur due to a high volume of visa applications or specific circumstances of your case. A Spain tourist or visitor visa can be valid for up to 3 months within a 6-month period. The visa's validity duration is determined by the issuing authority based on their assessment. Your visa sticker will indicate the earliest and latest dates you can enter and leave the Schengen area, as well as the duration of your stay. If your Spain visa application is rejected, you will receive a letter stating the reason. In this case, you can either reapply, ensuring to address any previous mistakes, or write an appeal letter for Schengen visa rejection if you believe the rejection was unjust. A Spain visa allows you to visit all Schengen countries, except for any specific country listed with a minus sign and the country's acronym on your visa sticker.